Hi you guys, so I'm kind of doing this like a vlog style video. Today I'm going to be doing I saw Kelly Gooch do this video and she titled it like a clean with me, and then she was like, she said she had like makeup chores to do, and I have makeup chores to do today. So I have all my brushes to clean, I have like my vanity to clean, I need to clean my little makeup puffs, and I need to kind of just pick up my makeup room a little bit. So I thought I would do the same kind of thing, not trying to copy Kelly Gooch, but she had a great idea and I like the little catchy title, Makeup Chores. So today we're doing makeup chores. I just thought I would share that with you guys because it's stuff I need to do. Plus I'm like, why not get content out of it? So we're doing both things. So let's get started with the video, guys. Alrighty guys, so I was able to get all of my brushes cleaned. This literally took like an hour probably, and then my couple of beauty blenders and makeup sponges down there. So I was able to get all that clean, so I feel like at least that part of my makeup chores is done. So now let's head into my makeup room and clean my vanity. Okay guys, so we are back in my makeup room and this is my vanity. I hope this is a decent angle because it's really hard to get this set up the way my vanity is positioned. So I'm gonna just kind of unload everything and then we will get started kind of wiping everything down. I got my vanity all wiped down, so now I kind of wanted to take time and wipe out all my little containers on the inside of this is my everyday makeup drawer, inside my vanity. And I just kind of want to take time to wipe out the insides of the drawers because it's gotten just a little bit messy. Okay, I got the whole drawer wiped down except for these two little compartments over here because they looked fine. The drawers look really nice again. I do kind of want to switch out a couple products. I think I might switch out all my blushes. And then I need to pick out a new foundation because this one is almost empty. And then this one is way too light for me, so I need to pick out a couple of new foundations and kind of refresh my everyday makeup drawer. So I thought I might go pick out some products and kind of then show you guys what products I am refreshing with. Okay, so I thought I'd share with you, I picked out a couple new complexion products to put in my foundation little section over here. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. This one I feel like wears really good on my skin during the summertime. And then this She Glam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I feel like these might be really good during the summertime, so I thought I might throw in a couple good options because my skin has been so oily lately. So adding in these two foundations. And then for my blush section, I went ahead and switched out all the blushes. So I'm just gonna go through and show you guys what I picked out. So I picked out the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Wada Brat highlighter. It is just all pink. I like to use this as a blush topper, so that's why I keep it in my blush drawer. And then I picked out this Essence blush. This is the Mosaic blush in the Berry Connection. It's a really pretty pinky, peachy color. And then I picked out all three of my MAC. These are the Glow Play blushes, I think. Yes, the Glow Play blushes. I have three of them. My original one that I had was this one in Cheer Up. And these were on the, I think it was the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale last year. So then I got two more, one in the shade Blush Please and this really pretty hot pink. This kind of reminds me of a watermelon color. This one is called Heat Index. So I love this formula and I hadn't used these in quite a while, so I wanted to put these in my everyday makeup drawer because this really fun watermelon color I think would be so fun during the summertime. And then I also picked out this really pretty color by Laura Mercier. It is called Grapefruit. I turned down my camera. I hope it's picking up the color on this, but I feel like it's not. I feel like it's really washing it out. Okay, there. I pulled away. You can see the color a little better at that angle. So it's really a really pretty like watermelon color. And then these two powder blushes from L'Oreal and Too Faced I've had in my makeup drawer, but I really have been enjoying both of these, so I didn't really want to put them back yet. So I left these in. But I picked out a couple more cream blushes. My Rare Beauty in Nearly Rose. I've had this one forever, but I haven't used it in quite a while. And then my Keys Soul Care blush in the shade Grace. And then two other cream blushes, the Rare Beauty in Lucky. This is a really bright pink. It's a scary one to use. And then this Juvia's Place in Blush Lily. And then I got another Juvia's Place one I want to add in here, but I can't find it because I had just got it. So those are all the blush options that I picked out to put in my drawer. So there's what my drawer looks like now currently. So, oh, and then I did pick out this bronzer to add in. This is the Revolution Cream Bronzer. It's in the medium shade, so I hadn't used that, so wanted to get some use out of that. This is what my drawer looks like now. I think it looks so much better. So guys, that's it on my makeup clean with me makeup chores video. I don't really have much else cleaning to do. I just have just a couple things laying around like back here that I kind of just need to pick up, but nothing else really for the makeup room today. I hope you all enjoyed this type video. I know everyone loves a good clean with me, organizing type such. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And y'all are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.